Armstrong and Landing State University campus. Pleasure to have you here.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Now, when we were planning this museum, we had to decide how are we going to tell these stories? And indeed, what stories are we going to tell? Right here, Carolinas, Georgia, Charleston being the principal port, Chesapeake being Maryland, Baltimore. But what is unknown by most of us is the right-hand side of the map, which is a 2,000-year period of trade of Africa into the Middle East, into India, into Europe as well. The second map that I want to share with you, which shows the extent to which Europe is involved in the trade. London has 2,700, Bristol 2,064. So the US story is part of a much larger story, and it's important for us to realize that. It gives you the opportunity to get a sense of what it would be like working on the place. And it's very important to have a sense of what you would like to do before you then make the commitment to that career.
And the Smithsonian first found me when I was just a little bit older than you were. I was 22 when I moved to Senegal in West Africa. And my background was in anthropology, cultural anthropology. That gave me the opportunity to do research for the Smithsonian in West Africa, and then to come and present the Black French-speaking delegation in Washington and on tour of the United States.
We have architects. There are so many fields that go into the museum world. Smithsonian has 6,000 employees, and we have people in every kind of skill. And when you're creating a new museum, a lot of people already have collections in their institutions. So we have to decide, what can we excel in that no one else has focused on?
And it will give people the opportunity to understand how central the role of African Americans are to U.S. history.